Am I the only one that didn't know inert gases are basically superheroes in disguise? Let's unmask their secret powers. Inert gases like helium, neon and argon are more than just party balloon fillers. Helium, for instance, isn't just for funny voices. It's crucial in MRI machines, allowing doctors to see inside your body without surgery. Neon lights, yep, that's neon gas glowing in those bright signs lighting up your favorite burger joint. And argon? This gas is a silent protector, keeping the insides of light bulbs from corroding. It also helps create the perfect environment for delicate wine storage. And hey, did you know krypton isn't just Superman's weakness? It's used in high-performance windows to keep your home insulated. Mind-blowing, right? So next time you see a glowing sign or sip a perfectly stored wine, thank the inert gases. They're the unsung heroes of the periodic table, making our lives better, one invisible job at a time. Stay curious, students.
Cảm ơn nha. Cảm ơn gì?